Hey guys, it's Matt here with Solas, and today I want to talk to you a little about our RUBEX hubs. All of our RUBEX hubs do come with either an anodized aluminum or bronze core with a rubber housing. The rubber housing provides improved shift dampening and reduces vibration over plastic hubs. The anodized aluminum hub is great for low and high horsepower engines with regular use in freshwater and occasional saltwater. The bronze hub version fits the same as their aluminum counterpart and are excellent for low to high horsepower ranges. You'll also notice that in a bronze hub and an aluminum hub, you'll notice that the bronze is a much more heavy-duty hub and is also heavier in weight. And the bronze hub kits use the same part number with an exception of the letter B at the end to signify that it is a bronze hub.